Example 2 says, using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, we are to construct a triangle ABC in which AB is 4.8 centimeters, angle BAC is 60 degrees, and angle ABC is 75 degrees. We are to draw a perpendicular from C to AB. Then we are to measure the perpendicular height. Now, I'm going to draw a sketch of this question, which I'm going to construct. So, the first thing is we know that is a triangle. So, we have a triangle. This is a triangle we have to draw. Triangle ABC, in which AB is 4.8 centimeters. This is said to be 4.8 centimeters. Then angle BAC, that is BAC, is talking about this angle. That this angle is to be 60 degrees. And angle ABC, that is this angle, is to be 75 degrees. We should also draw a perpendicular from C to AB. This is AB. If you are drawing a perpendicular, it means it's going to be a straight line from C to AB. So we are having a line this way, and this is supposed to be 90 degrees. So for us to draw this perpendicular, they didn't tell us if it's a perpendicular bisector, but it is said to be a straight line from C. So it must be at 90 degrees with AB. Okay? So draw a perpendicular from C to AB, and we are to measure the perpendicular height. Let's call it H. So I now have a picture of what I'm asked to construct. So we are going to use the same procedures using a ruler, which I showed you. This is the ruler, and this is the pair of compass. Okay, we are going to construct this triangle. So just follow the steps I'm going to take and see how we are going to construct it. So first and foremost, we are going to construct the line AB, which is 4.8 centimeters. And how do we construct a line? We said draw a straight line. Okay, then pick a point. Let's call this point A. Now with A as center and radius of 4.8, we have to construct point B. So 4.8, I'm going to measure it. This is my 4.8. Now with A as center, I'm going to construct 4.8. So you draw an arc to cut the line. Okay, and this gives us our point B. This is said to be 4.8 centimeters. Next is to construct angle 60 degrees and angle 75 degrees. Where both of them meet gives us our point C. So how do we construct angle 60 degrees? Now, for us to construct angle 60 degrees, we said we should construct an arc with A as center, construct a semicircle. Now this is A. Let's construct the semicircle. Now for you to construct this semicircle, you can take any radius of your choice. Okay? So with this, I'll construct a semicircle. Now it seems to be difficult doing this because I'm making use of my pen, which is not held correctly to the protractor. So mine is going to be a sketch, but ensure yours is accurate. So with that same radius, with this as center, construct another arc. Okay. Now when you join A and this point together, let's call it point P. Okay. Draw a straight line. P through A through P. You have this. Also do same. This is said to be 60 degrees. So this is how to construct angle 60 degrees. With B as center, also construct angle 75 degrees. So I'll construct an arc. The radius may not be the same. So let me use a bigger radius. Let me erase the error. So with B as center, you construct an arc without changing that arc. With this as center, you construct another arc. With this as center, you also construct another arc. Remember, this is 60 degrees. So I have constructed 60 degrees. I want to construct 90 so that by the time I bisect 90 and 60, it gives me 75. So when you construct this arc with this as center, you also construct another arc. So I'll now join line B to this. That gives me my angle 90 degrees. Oh, okay. Please let me reconstruct this again. With B as center and any radius greater than half BD, we're going to construct an arc. Okay, for want of time, my dimensions will not be accurate. So you are, because I'm not making use of I'm not making use of the protractor again. So my arc, my dimensions may not be right. So with B as center, you use your compass, construct an arc to give you point RS. With R as center, construct an arc. With S as center, also in turn, construct an arc. Let it give you point CD on the semicircle. With C as center, construct an arc, as well as with D as center, you construct an arc. Then you join line, let's call it W. You join point BW, okay, it's going to give you a straight line. So this is to be angle 90 degrees. Then for us to construct angle 75 degrees, we have to bisect the angles between angle 60 degree and angle 90 degrees. So with, let's call this point M. With C and M as center, you construct another arc this way. Okay, then let's call it point Y. You then join YB, draw YB to cut across line AP. So when you do this, you're going to have something like this. Okay, so this gives us our point C as stated in the question. So you can measure C and C. This gives you 75 degrees. When you use your protractor to measure angle C, it gives you what is left when you subtract the sum of 60 and 75 from 180 degrees. The question says we should draw a perpendicular from A, from C to AB. So what you will do is this. You are going to bisect angle C. So how do you do that? With C as center, you draw an arc this way, and with these 2 points as centers, you also construct another arc this way. Okay, then you join the point of intersection of the 2 arcs with C. It gives you the perpendicular bisector, which we have already learned at the last class. So when you join it, it gives you the bisector that is required. Then you measure it. So this is how you can construct a triangle with given conditions. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You are also recommended to use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I encourage you to share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take another exercise on construction of triangles.